Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So, this is revision, second lesson. The lesson name is that is a poem. The poem name is Catch a Little Rhyme. Okay, children, this is revision for you. So, if you have not written in your classwork, you can see and write this one. Okay, children. So, if you have finished in your classwork already, you can practice in your rough note. Okay, children. So, this is revision. Now, I am going to read first main hard words. Once, O-N-C-E, once. Second one, caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. Third one, rhyme, R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. Fourth one, floor, F-L-O-O-R, floor. Fifth one, right, R-I-G-H-T, right. Sixth one, chased, C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. Seventh one, bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Eighth one, melted, M-E-L-T-E-D, melted. Ninth one, scooped, S-C-O-O-P-E-D, scooped. 10th one, turned, T-U-R-N-E-D, turned. 11th one, stretched, S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D, stretched. 12th one, followed, F-O-L-L-O-W-E-D, followed. 13th one, changed, C-H-A-N-G-E-D, changed. 14th one, grew, G-R-E-W, grew. 15th one, sight, S-I-G-H-T, sight. So these are hard words. Once again I will repeat. First one, once. Second one, caught. Third one, rhyme. Fourth one, floor. Fifth one, right. Sixth one, chased. Seventh one, bicycle. Eighth one, melted. Ninth one, scooped. 10th one, turned. 11th one, stretched. 12th one, followed. 13th one, changed. 14th one, grew. 15th one, sight. Now next main, answer the following. First one, what did the poet catch? Answer, the poet caught a little rhyme. Th is the P-O-E-T, poet. C-A-U-G-H-T, caught. A-L-I-T-T-L-E, little. R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. The poet caught a little rhyme. Second one, where did the rhyme sit? Answer, the rhyme sat on the floor. Th is the R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. S-At, sat. O-N, on. Th is the F-L-O-O-R, floor. The rhyme sat on the floor. Third one, how did the poet chase it? Answer, the poet chased it with his bicycle. Th is the P-O-E-T, poet. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. I-T, it. W-I-T-H, with. H-I-S, his. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Fourth one, what happened to it? Answer, it melted into an icicle. I-T, it. M-E-L-T-E-D, melted. I-N-T-O, into. A-N, an. I-C-I-C-L-E, icicle. It melted into an icicle. Fifth one, into what did it turn? It turned into a cat. I-T, it. T-U-R-N-E-D, turned. I-N-T-O, into a C-A-T, cat. Sixth one, when the poet caught it by tail, what happened? Answer, it stretched into a whale. I-T, it. S-T-R-E-T-C-H-E-D, stretched. I-N-T-O, into a W-H-A-L-E, whale. Seventh one, finally, what happened to it? Answer, finally, it grew into a kite and flew far out of sight. F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally. I-T, it. G-R-E-W, grew. I-N-T-O, into a K-I-T-E, kite. A-N-D, and F-L-E-W, flew. F-A-R, far. O-U-T, out. O-F, off. S-I-G-H-T, sight. Okay, children. So these are the question answers. Next main, match the meanings. First one, in the A side, they given first one's rhyme, second one's melt, third one stretched. In the B side, they given can make longer or wider without tearing. A word scheme that sounds alike become liquid. So you must match that one. The first one, rhyme. So what meaning of rhyme is a word scheme that sounds alike. So in the B side, in the second line it is there. So you can write one for that. Second one, melt. So in the B side, in the third line, become liquid. So for that you must write 2. Next, third one, stretched. So in the B side, in the first line it is there. Can make longer or wider without tearing. Okay, children. So these are the match the meanings. Next main, write the opposites for the following. First one, sit. Answer is stand. Sit, stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Right, wrong. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Catch, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. For, near. N-E-A-R, near. Again, I'll repeat. Sit, stand. S-I-T, sit. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Second one, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Wrong. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Third one, catch, throw. C-A-T-C-H, catch. T-H-R-O-W, throw. Fourth one, for, near. F-A-R, for. N-E-A-R, near. So these are the fourth main. Now fifth main, write plurals of the singular words given below. First one, rhyme. So that is a singular, only one. So for plural, more than one. So you must write rhymes. R-H-Y-M-E-S, rhymes. Okay, children, rhyme, rhymes. Next one, bicycle. Bicycle means only one. So for more than one, bicycles. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E-S, bicycles. Next third one, boat. Boat means only one. For more than one, we will call it as boats. B-O-A-T-S, boats. Fourth one, goat. Goat means only one goat. So for more than one, we will call it as goats. G-O-A-T-S. So many will be there, no? For that, we will say goats. We must add S. Next, fifth one, kite. Answer is kites. K-I-T-E-S, kites. Okay, children. So these are the plurals of the singular words. So in the question, they are given singular. Answer, we must write plurals. Okay, children. Once again, I will repeat. Rhyme, rhymes. R-H-Y-M-E-S, rhymes. Second one, bicycle, bicycles. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E-S, bicycles. Boat, boats. B-O-A-T-S, boats. Goat, goat, goats. G-O-A-T-S, goats. Kite, kites. K-I-T-E-S, kites. Next main, write one rhyming word for the given words. So you must write rhyming words for that one. What they are given in the question, for that question you must write answer rhyming words. First one, floor, door. D-O-O-R, door. Second one, hat, cat. C-A-T, cat. Third one, tail, sail. S-A-I-L, sail. Fourth one, boat, coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Fifth one, wait, bait. B-A-I-T, bait. Sixth one, game, same. S-A-M-E, same. Okay, children. So these are the rhyming words. Once again, I'll repeat. Floor, door. Hat, cat. Tail, sail. Boat, coat. Wait, wait. Game, same. Okay, children. Next main, rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. So here the letters are mixed. We must write the letters correctly to make meaningful words. First one, H-Y-R-E-M. So these letters are mixed. So the correct word is rhyme, and the correct letters are R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. Next, second one, D-M-E-L-E-T. So the correct answer is melted. Spelling is M-E-L-T-E-D, melted. Third one, T-A-B-O. So the correct answer is, correct word is boat. Spelling is B-O-A-T, boat. Fourth one, O-A-G-T. So the correct word is goat, and the correct spelling is G-O-A-T, goat. Fifth one, E-I-K-T. So the correct word is kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Okay, children. So once again, I'll repeat. First one, the answer R-Y-H-M-E, rhyme. Second one, M-E-L-T-E-D, melted. Third one, B-O-A-T, boat. Fourth one, G-O-A-T, goat. Fifth one, K-I-T-E, kite. Okay, children. Now, next main. Fill in the missing letters. So they are given here FL dash dash R. So in the dash you must write O. Okay, children, floor. Next one, D dash dash R. So in the dash dash you must write O. It will become D-O or door. Next one, H dash T. So in the dash you must write O. So it will become hot, H-O-T, hot. Next, C dash T. So in the dash if you write A, it will become cat, C-A-T, cat. Next one, B dash dash T. So in the dash if you write O-A, it will become boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Next one, G dash dash T. So if you write in the dash O-A, it will become goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Okay, children. Next, take a word from each bucket that rhymes. So this is rhyming words. First one, bright and light, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright, L-I-G-H-T, light. Second one, snake and rake, S-N-A-K-E, snake, R-A-K-E, rake. Third one, mouse, house, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, H-O-U-S-E, house. Fourth one, narrow, sparrow, N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Fifth one, town, clown, T-O-W-N, town, C-L-O-W-N, clown. Sixth one, bunch, lunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Next one, sink, pink, S-I-N-K, sink, P-I-N-K, pink. So these are the rhyming words. Okay, children. Bright, light, snake, rake, mouse, house, narrow, sparrow, town, clown, bunch, lunch, sink, pink. Okay, children. So these are the revisions for you. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So once again, if I am saying that if you have not written in the classwork this lesson, please see this video and complete the classwork. So if you have already finished the classwork, you practice in the rough note. Okay children, thank you.